Well, speaking of gardening, here we have nothing from my garden, unfortunately. These the little bell peppers. And these are green tomatoes and onions with some garlic. And we have sausages. They're maple sausage. Got some butter here. We use curry, some sea salt. I'll be later putting on some blue cheese dressing and some Parmesan because goes really great with the tomatoes. I've got some dried sage and some ginger. So I slithered some ginger root up on there with the onions. I've been sauteing them. And then the dried, this is thyme. I just rub it between my hands so the leaves fall out because the sticks are really woody. And then corn on the cob. This is leftover corn that I peeled part of the husk off. And so then I just skin the corn with a knife to get these kernels. And over here I'll show you. I had fresh basil, but I didn't put any in. I used dried basil just because one's got more oil than the other, actually. And these are the little peppers. These fell off of the storm. And then me some sourdough bread. And so that's what we got this morning. Is fried, sauteed. They're not fried, really. Just sauteed green tomatoes with a little butter. But they're first started with the sauteed onions and all. And then I lay the tomatoes, and I cut these slices kind of thick. And because I'm flipping them and turning them, just like the sausage. And the sausage has to cook on low and slow for a long time. Near the end, I'll sprinkle the Parmesan cheese. I love freshly grated Parmesan cheese, but we're kind of living the RV life. So, not really an option. So, everybody have a great day. Take care. Have another cup of coffee. It's cloudy and beautiful outside. Later on, I'm going to show you my red velvet okra. It's gorgeous.